guys, welcome back to Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. Today we're playing with alcohol inks, and I'm really going to fast forward through this whole first part because it was really frustrating. I was dealing with some high humidity because here in Arizona we have swamp coolers, and our rental unit has swamp coolers, and they pump out a lot of humidity. And which is kind of good because Arizona is typically dry, but when the monsoons come, they don't work that well. So we have secondary AC units, and it keeps our energy bills down, but it raises the humidity in the house while cooling it. And look at that. See that? Look at all those sweat beads. My inks were sweating like crazy from the humidity in the house. So what I do is I futz around with this and try and force it to work, which never works. And finally, I take a break and step aside, and I go turn on the AC units, shut off the swamp cooling units, and yeah, then things start to get a little bit better once the humidity in the house dies down. But yeah, it was a struggle. That on top of my bad back, because I thought, oh, well, let's do alcohol inks. There's no tipping of a canvas involved with that. I don't have to worry about my back with that. I don't have to stand and mix paints. You know, I mean, this was supposed to be an easy project. Nope. So yeah, watch me struggle, and then yeah, it's gonna get fun. But I end up with a really good project, so it just pays to play. I'm gonna put it that way. It plays to not give up, keep playing around with it, and try some new things. Don't be afraid to go in with your cotton swabs and paper towels and stuff like that, and clean up areas you don't like. Try hitting it with some heat. Try hitting it with the puffer, you know, just experiment, try different things. Even a paintbrush if you need to. I didn't use a paintbrush on this one, but yeah, if you need to, use a paintbrush, you know, why not? The colors that we're using are, where'd my paper go? I wrote them down so I wouldn't forget. The colors we're using are Pinata Passion Purple, Ranger Amethyst, Ranger Pitch Black, and Pinata Silver. Look at that mess. Wasn't that a mess? Oh God, it's just like, ooey, boy. So yeah, there I am, going in with my little swabs. Those are little sponge swabs. I got them off Amazon. I will try and find the link for them and include them in the description. But yeah, just go in there, scrub it up, move it around. You can still see there is still some humidity in the air. You can see it kind of collecting around the edges and causing like dark little runners along those darker edges and stuff there, but it starts to get better as we move along here. So this is the slower part. This is where I start. There's my notifications. I forgot to shut them off again. Wouldn't you know it? But yeah, it starts to come together now. So we just keep working it, and it keeps getting better and better, I think. And I really like the end result. I hope you like the end result too. I will see you back there at the end result. And until then, let's just go ahead and listen to some music. I hope you enjoy.
If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance. stand a chance. Don't stand. Hey. I feel the night behind me. I can't be fooled, but I put up a fight. 'Cause I'm an optimist. Just keep me coming back. When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance. Oh, oh, we never stand a chance. Don't stand. Hey. It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be okay. The sun is shining bright to another day. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Well, if at first you don't succeed, you better try again. Clenched fist can plant the seed. Open up your hands, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, you're gonna find your way. It's gonna, alright. It's very hard to let things go. It's hard to carry on. But if you won't try, you won't let them see a hint of fear. Lines and doors, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street. Always remember the future is near. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. I promise I'll always be here. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put in your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose.
Woohoo! Stubbornness and perseverance pays off, huh? I love this. I think it is incredible. I'm very, very, very pleased with this one. We have a great art chain today. First, it was just Janice right before me. Then right after me today, we have a special guest. Sarah Mack is in the house. And then after her, we have Massey Art Studio. And hopefully I will see you guys in the live chats at ARTAPALOOZA. Till next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!
When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your